What it do? So, I've been, slacking on my videos because I've been like very, very busy with work. So, I work like every single day of my life, and then I'm gonna start going to school. So, I don't know when this video is going up, nor when you're gonna get another one, but I will be here. Don't try to leave. Okay. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, I'm going to do some curls, right? Pause. Well, pause. My mom is in the other room loud. Nicole. And then two, this hair dye situation. So I've been saying for like ever since I got her that I was gonna dye her hair. And I had like a little tiny bit of bleach left, right? And I was like, the only way I know I'm going to end up dyeing her hair is if I make it ugly. And that's what I did. So, because it's going to irritate, you see, like, it irritates me so much where I'm like, okay, no, this needs to be fixed. So I'm going to dye it. So I'm probably going to dye it in the next, like, 2 weeks. I'm going to make a video. Don't worry. I didn't make a video on this because I literally just put the bleach on, just like, just all it is. It came out, the color itself came out okay, not the blending. The blending on the sides is a little bit better, but right here I was just like, nope. And then like there's like this chunk, you see it like that. So I'm gonna go in and correct that. And I don't know what I want to do with it though. Do I want to take the blonde all the way up, or what? I don't know. It doesn't look as blonde as it is in person, but okay, yeah, so this is her. She's in the middle part right now. I kind of like her hair silky straight, but I need to do something different. So I got this NuMe 32 millimeter classic wand, girly wand. Well, it's like this. I don't like how they do the packaging, cause like, oh, just kidding, I'm an idiot. Okay, there we go. So it's like this. I got it from Marshalls. You can get them from TJ Maxx, but they're never really in stock. So I think they sell out really fast. But it was $25, and it's like my first time opening it. Oh snap! I like this little tube though; it's kind of cute. The lady said make sure it works because a lot of people have been complaining about these things. They don't get hot enough or something. Okay, so it just comes with this. What degrees does this go to? 410 degrees, so it's pretty warm. Oh, so there's a switch, and it lights up when you turn it on. So I'm just holding my hand on it to see how long it takes to get hot, if it does get hot. Okay, it's getting hot. Don't try this at home, kids. Or if you're younger than me, just don't try this at home in general. Okay, yeah, that's hot. So we're just gonna not touch that anymore. But yeah, so I'm gonna let that heat up. It comes with a glove for the people who are inexperienced with heat tools and you don't want to burn yourself. I would invest probably using this, but I've burned myself like billions of times, so I'm pretty used to it. I don't know how this is like I can see through it. Like what? I don't think it's like 100% heat proof, but like just so you don't burn yourself right away. It gets hot. It's just not like okay. But I'm gonna take this glove off because it's gonna get on my nerves. Basically, that's it. I'm just gonna do some loose curls. I'm gonna see how this little wand works out, and we're gonna go from there. So let's get it right. So you can either choose two. Well, I mean, I guess you could leave it like this. I mean, this ain't really cute in my opinion. You can either like use your fingers, you know, do a little move like that, or what I like to do is brush it out because it makes it a lot